We have a drone here in zone 3, approximately 600 feet high. Power muscle 2, actually I'm seeing like three different drone size entities in zone 3. Colors, they look like they got some green and red lights, no more bigger than maybe like a football.
Guardian, do you have an aircraft hovering over Upper Marlboro?
Level 2 copies, got a company traffic site, will be number 2 behind them.
I'm asking about the traffic at 12 o'clock, 6 miles in your airspace, about 2,000 feet. Do you have it, or 1,500 feet? Do you have it? All right, well, we're going to see what we can see what it is.
Kind of clarification. So the drones that we were seeing, so we had a few drones high, about 900 feet MSL, and then 2 drones low, maybe about 600 feet MSL. They were in zone 3, hovering around Route 2, right as you make the turn along the river.